I think she's happy.
I think she's happy too.
Walk around.
Taylor, don't let a freaking bird boss you around. You gotta be bigger than the bird.
This bird is my best friend. I just put her down. Oh, how cute.
Oh, she is. She's loving
Are
you.
you serious? I've never seen a bird do that before. It's like lady.
This bird cuddles and I love it.
Oh, my.
That's funny.
Oh,
Oh.
it wants to snuggle up to you more. Oh my gosh.
I love you
I don't
too.
think I've seen a white.
I was thinking the same thing.
Password.
Look, oh, she is happy.
And it's a big long, you know, what you see.
I think that means happy, happy, happy.
I hope so. Or else my eyes are about to be gouged out.
Oh, you are so pretty, Mako.
Yeah.
Yeah, you are so pretty.
How old is she?
She's
Has to be old.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see. No, it doesn't tell me, so ask, you know,
Oh my
that
god,
wife
Taylor's totally gonna get a bird when we get home.
110
I'm gonna come home from deployment and there's gonna have a bird and a cat.
and
Gonna
12
be-
other dogs.
Ace Ventura's apartment.
Yeah. Hold on.
Oh.